Is your vaccine team, and right now in North Georgia County cut off from getting additional COVID-19 vaccines.
This is a clinic in Elbert County, and they were vaccinating teachers, a group not deemed eligible yet by the state of Georgia. CBS 46's Ashley Thompson live in DeKalb County, and Ashley cutting off supply to the main provider in Elberton and now forcing Georgians to have to go elsewhere to get their shots.
That's right, Rick. Georgians can go anywhere across the state to get vaccinated, so we may see more people from North Georgia coming down to the metro to get their shots if this provider in Elbert County doesn't win its appeal. The Medical Center of Elberton cut off from receiving any more COVID-19 vaccines for the next 6 months. The clinic had been vaccinating teachers in the Elbert County School District who are outside of current eligibility. Right now, Georgia is only vaccinating those in the 1A plus population, including healthcare workers, those in long-term care facilities, and law enforcement.
There has been a lot of public conversation about educators and school staff and those with developmental disabilities being made eligible for the vaccine.
But Governor Brian Kemp said on Tuesday that the state hasn't even reached the halfway point of vaccinating the 1A plus population.
I think the final guidance was put
Brooke
in place
McDowell,
on
the
January
practice
11th.
administrator for the Medical Center of Elberton, tells me they've vaccinated about 170 teachers. She says they didn't mean to intentionally defy state guidelines.
Originally, the guidelines from the state were vague, and we have always considered our teachers essential workers, and we still consider them essential workers. More permanent guidelines were not set in place until after we had vaccinated them. And since those guidelines have been set in place, we have adhered to them very closely.
We do know, though, that some teachers got their second shots just yesterday. Hear why the clinic administered them. Plus, does this beg the question of whether teachers should be in the first phase of distribution? The answers to those questions coming up at 5 and 6. For now, I'm live in DeKalb County. Ashley Thompson, CBS 46 News.
Ashley, thank you.